How to install ebtEdge app. So just tap get and yeah, you should be able to install this easily. So simplifies your life when you depend on Snap or TNF benefits, allowing you to view your benefits at the touch of the finger. ebtEdge allows you to check your balances, review your transaction history. If you have both Snap and TNF benefits, you will have access to view both benefits at the same time. Free for cardholder use, the most private and secure EBT application on the market. If your phone supports Apple Touch ID, running iOS 11 Plus, and you have registered your fingerprints to your phone, simply touch the finger sensor on your iOS device. If your phone supports Apple Face ID, running iOS 11 Plus, and you're enrolled to your face, quickly access the balance of your account by looking at your phone. Securely login with user ID and password, view your deposit history, your transaction history, select PIN. So you can use it in these following states, as you can see, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and that's the idea. All right, so there is some kind of access denied. Might be only available in the United States. If you're located there, you can use this app. But as overall, you can see that there are quite a few not that good ratings actually in this app. You can see a lot of error messages, but actually some people like it. Best app for simple needs. I read the reviews, and honestly, this app was by far the simplest app. I also chose it because it's smaller size compared to the larger comparable app that I was looking at. But for some people, there are quite a few bugs. But there you have it. If you have a lot of issues with this app, just leave it in the comments or ask additional questions.